Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, October 27th. We are heading to Myrtle Beach to explore and have fun. This is our 14-year wedding anniversary on October 31st, Halloween. So I hope you will join us as we explore, have fun, and just relax. Everybody, we have arrived at our condo, so let's see what is inside. Come join me. Okay, you gotta have a code to get in. Probably can't see that. Open the door. There's a bedroom, excuse the mess. There's a mystery closet. Come through the door, kitchen, sink, bathroom, wherever there's a light. It's kind of a small bathroom, but it works. Come back out, and bedroom, and Luna on the bed, ready for bed. Come this way. Hopefully Luna doesn't bark.
People on the pools.
And this is our view. And wait for it. You go out the deck door or around and go out on here, and look, beach. Whoa! Like a walking distance.